Education is the passport to the future, and financial aid is the vehicle that gets you there. It's a powerful statement, isn't it? Education, the cornerstone of personal growth and societal progress, holds immense power. It nurtures minds, cultivates skills, and paves the way for a brighter future. But here's the rub. Quality education often comes with a hefty price tag, creating barriers for many talented individuals. That's where financial aid steps in, playing an indispensable role in breaking down these barriers. Financial aid in its various forms provides opportunities for those who might otherwise be unable to pursue their educational dreams. It's a catalyst, enabling individuals to unlock their potential regardless of their socioeconomic backgrounds. Through financial support, we ensure that education remains a right, not a privilege, accessible to all who seek it. So let's delve into the world of financial aid and discover how it can empower you towards a brighter future. Remember, every dream is achievable when you have the means to chase it, and that's where financial aid comes into play. So, what is NSFAS and how can it help you? Let's dive in. The National Student Financial Aid Scheme, or NSFAS, is much more than just an acronym. It's a beacon of hope, a gateway to opportunities, and a lifeline for students in need. Established by the South African government, NSFAS aims to provide financial assistance to deserving students who might otherwise be unable to afford tertiary education. It's a ladder to uplift the underprivileged and a bridge to cross the chasm of economic disparity. The scheme covers tuition fees, accommodation, meals, and even study materials. But remember, it's not a free-for-all. There's a process that needs to be followed, criteria that need to be met. That's why it's crucial to apply and do it right. With NSFAS, your dreams are no longer just dreams, but a reality waiting to unfold. Now that you're familiar with NSFAS, it's time to understand the application process. First things first, you'll need to create a NSFAS account. This is your gateway to accessing the financial aid you need. To do this, head over to the NSFAS website, locate the NSFAS tab, and create your account. Remember to use a valid email address and keep your username and password safe for future use. Once your NSFAS account is set up, it's time to move to the application itself. This is where you tell NSFAS about yourself, your financial situation, and your academic goals. The form is comprehensive, but don't be daunted. It's merely a way for NSFAS to assess your eligibility. Begin by filling out your personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, and identification number. Make sure to double-check these details for accuracy. Next, provide your contact details. This is crucial as NSFAS will use this information to communicate with you about your application status. Include a valid email address and phone number. The next section is your academic information. Here, you'll need to input details about your current or previous school, the course you wish to pursue, and the institution you plan to attend. Now let's talk about the financial information section. This is a key part of the application as it helps NSFAS determine your financial need. Provide information about your parents' or guardian's income, your own income if applicable, and any other financial details requested. Honesty is paramount here, as false information could lead to disqualification. Finally, review your application. Ensure that all the information you've provided is accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied, submit your application. You'll receive a reference number. Keep this safe, as it's your proof of application. Remember, the earlier you apply, the better. This gives you ample time to rectify any errors and make sure your application is in the system well before the deadline. And there you have it. A simple, convenient process to help you secure your future. Applying for NSFAS is not just about securing financial aid, it's about paving your path to success. Think about it. With NSFAS, you're not just getting money to pay for your studies, you're getting the chance to shape your future. Let's quickly recap the steps we've discussed. First, you need to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Then, you'll need to gather all necessary documents. After that, you'll complete and submit your NSFAS application online. Remember, the deadline is crucial, don't miss it. Education is a powerful tool, and financial aid like NSFAS can help make it accessible. It's about more than just learning, it's about growing, evolving, and stepping into the world ready to make a difference, so don't wait. Apply for NSFAS today and take hold of your future. Remember, the world is your oyster when you have the tools to explore it.